I talk to God like what's next for me. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. Fulfilling my destiny, yeah. I talk to God like what's next for me. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. Yeah. I told y'all I'm a psycho. Ain't no telling what I might do. Yeah. L put his hands around my throat, so I cut him off. That's what you give for stepping on my toes. At the top of the key. Alright, so guys, I already know this here's from Alibele, says Alibele, and they're an AliExpress company, and this is their Peruvian straight, and the longest length is 26 inches. Let me see if I can show you guys. 26 inches. No, this doesn't look like 26 inches. Yo, this low-key looks like 30 inches of hair. I'm only wearing 26 inches, which is crazy for me. And these AliExpress companies, they keep on blowing my mind because I'm not expecting them to be this good, but they keep on turning it out for your girl. I'm just like, AliExpress, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. So Alibele, 26 inches Peruvian straight. Again, I am not going to dilly-dally in this video. This video is sponsored by them, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video. As a Jamaican beauty vlogger, that really means a lot to me, so thank you so much, Alibele. Also, just want to give you guys my final thoughts on this hair. Okay, there's a thing with the hair, right? If it's straight hair, I like to leave it straight. If it's wavy hair, I like to wave it. Now, if you want your hair to go from wavy to straight to curly, I would suggest get a straight hair, because when you get a straight hair, you can get tight curls, loose curls, body wave, ocean wave, finger wave, toe wave, eye wave, nose wave. It just swim. Just swim. So as you guys saw, I used my Vanity Planet brush to straighten this hair. Like, it has hairs in it, and I took out some hairs while I was talking to you guys, because this hair, of course, I had to detangle it, which you guys saw before I actually ran the comb through it, because this hair was knotted up. I do not take great look at my wig cap. I do not take great care in my hair at all. I just throw it down because I don't know, and I need to stop doing that, because it's, I mean, it's not hella expensive hair, but it is good quality hair. And you have if you have an expensive handbag or an expensive shoes, you put it back up into the dust bag, into the box, or into its box, and then you store it somewhere, right? So I need to start doing that with my hairs. I need to start spending showing my hair some love and some respect, and start putting some respect on my hair. So I absolutely love this hair, as usual. As Sumi, that is formerly the Island Beauty, as Sumi says, if I didn't like it, it would not be on my channel, and I really love it. And I've been thanking Alibele, because I'm just like, yo, these AliExpress companies that I've always been saying, they've really been kicking it up a notch, and I need to come out of my comfort zone. I know you guys are probably tired of me wearing straight hair, but because this was actually my birthday hair, I was like, I need me some long straight hair for my birthday hair. So I've been wearing this since my birthday. I've had this now for over 2 weeks, and the quality has not changed, and I have not washed this hair whatsoever. I have not washed this hair, and I love it. I love it so much. So as what I do notice is that I don't get any shedding from the hair if I'm going about my day to day. If I'm combing up the hair, detangling the hair, of course I'm going to get a few breakage. Not that it's shedding, but it's breaking because it's knotted, and I'm combing it out, and upon releasing the knot, a few strands come out. So I don't consider that shedding. I just consider it like me detangling the hair. Yeah. What else? I've had people come up to me and be like, oh my gosh, your hair is so gorgeous, can I touch your hair? And I'm like, sure, go ahead, feel it up if you want to feel it up. I mean, totally up to you and all, but I will not go any longer in this video. The hair is bomb, the company's bomb, customer service for me was really good. They really, and because they're in I think China or Japan, the time to take into consideration the time difference when you do contact them. I normally speak to them late in the night between 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. I would normally talk to them and I get a response quickly. If it's in the day, the response will be delayed because of the time difference, so take that into consideration as well. Now everything about this here will be linked in the description bar, and if I have any discount codes or any discount links for you guys, definitely check out the description bar for this hair, and also to get the specific dimensions of the hair and the length and everything on the hair. But again, this hair is bomb. I love it. It's gorgeous. Has done me no wrong whatsoever. This is a closure. I am not versed in the frontal. It's a closure. So yeah, and all in all, it's really good hair. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Thank you so much for sticking with me for this month of December. I've been doing a video every other day. I don't know if you guys realize, and what I'm attempting to do for the last 5 days in December, I'm going to do 5 videos for those straight days. Now we call it something about final countdown to 2018 or something to that effect. I don't know, but yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you for your support, and thank you Alibele for sponsoring this video, and thank you Alibele for trusting me, who lives here in Jamaica, you know, to do this for you. That means a lot to me. So thank you for your support, and yeah, I'll see you guys. No, you'll see me in the next video, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys. Finally.